take risk, especially in our finances. Kasi if we want to reach a certain level of wealth, lalo na yung wealth with purpose, dapat marunong tayo mag-take ng risk. So the question right now is, how do we take risk in our finances? But before that, let me define first again kung ano ba yung risk. So risk is the uncertainty of a loss in exchange of a potential gain. Parang, in simple terms, it represents yung chance na yung outcome will differ from the expected result natin and possible, mawalan ka pa. Kaya nakakatakot mag-risk eh. 'Di ba? Kasi, meron kang ina-expect na result, tapos pwedeng yung gusto mong result, hindi yun yung mangyari. Tapos possible, mawalan ka pa. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-take ka ng risk, alam natin na meron tayong gain na makukuha. Pero dapat willing tayong i-take yung chance na yon na possible tayong mawalan. So, ngayon, how can we take risk? For me, two things lang. Para matuto tayong mag-take ng risk. Number one, you have to know when to take risk. And number two, you have to know how much risk you can take. And you can only identify that by, number one, know when to. And you would know that kapag meron ka ng financial foundation. Ano yung financial foundation, di ba? That's emergency fund, savings, life and health insurance. Pag meron ka na nun, then alam mo na, I can take risk. Kasi meron na akong financial foundation. And number two, by how much? Okay, I already have this financial foundation. How much ba yung risk na kaya kong i-take in? And that would be dictated, tama ba yun? And that would be, and madidictate yon kung gaano kalalim and katibay yung financial foundation mo. That will tell you how much risk you can take. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng mag-take ng sobrang risky investment or risky financial decision kapag yung foundation mo naman hindi naman ganun ka-solid. Kasi what would support that risk na iti-take mo, 'di ba? So, kung solid yung foundation mo, mas matapang ka. Kasi that foundation will bring courage to you na, okay lang to, kahit i-take ko tong risk na to, kahit mawalan ako, meron pa rin akong foundation. So, you're not just taking risk, you're taking calculated risk. Ayun. Kaya that's it. It's very important na kailangan malaman natin when to take risk and by how much to take risk. But most importantly, you should be taking risk. We should be taking risk. Hindi lang sa finances and everything that we do. Okay. My name is Zane. If you like this content, follow me for more. Bye. God bless.